everyone. We're excited to introduce Android XR. It's the first Android platform built entirely for the Gemini era, for both headsets and glasses. With advances in AI and an amazing ecosystem of device and developer partners, we believe the time for XR is now. We've been building Android XR hand in hand with Samsung, working on both software and hardware together.
But now, we are at a crossroad where the newest cutting-edge XR technology meets multimodal AI, which understand what you see and what you say. So you can just talk to your device as if you're talking to someone in the physical world. This is the next generation UI of XR. Imagine being immersed in a world that understands you and responds to your every interaction, whether through your hands, eyes, or voice. The time is now. Technology is here. With the Android XR, it is all coming together.
We're getting started today with headsets. They're a great entry point for Android XR. And if you build for headsets, you'll be laying the foundation for other form factors that follow later. That will include glasses for Android XR. These will be designed for all-day wear. They're a natural form factor for AI, providing real-time helpful information when you need it. If you build for Android, you're already building for Android XR. Entertainment comes to life with YouTube and Google TV in totally immersive environments. Photo and video captured in 2D can be converted into a 3D memory for you to experience again and again with Google Photos. With Chrome on XR, you have an infinite, unbounded workspace.
And with Google's groundbreaking multimodal AI that understands context, we completely transform the meaning of natural interaction. The first device we designed for Android XR platform is the headset. We see headset as a great starting point because they have a unique capabilities that unlock a whole new way to interact with the technology. I'm very excited to present the first device designed for Android XR. Codename Project Moohan. Moohan means infinity in Korean because XR will deliver unparalleled immersive experiences in a truly infinite space.
We're thrilled to show you live what it's like to experience Android XR and some of the capabilities of the platform. Hey Gemini, can you show me VR 180 videos of this place?
Sure, I can help with that.
We're incredibly excited for Gemini on Android XR that will power a new type of conversational multimodal experience.
Designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, it's one of the largest brick domes ever constructed and a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture.
Okay, this is amazing. I definitely have to visit here, but I want to find some restaurants nearby.
I'm sure we could find a place in New York. Maybe we could take the team here tonight if you're feeling seafood.
Hey Gemini, can you take me to this restaurant?
Sure, I can take you to the Clam in New York.
Today, we're excited to launch the developer preview of the Android XR SDK. You'll have endless opportunities to create and develop for this computing platform using familiar tools and open standards created for XR. For Android developers, we're extending the tools and frameworks like Android Studio and our Jetpack libraries to XR. And for Unity developers, we'll support Unity's editor and popular XR packages. You'll be able to share your apps the same way you always have as we open the Play Store to XR. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this all work with existing apps and games? They'll be available on Android XR out of the box, and your existing compatible apps can work without any additional effort. Our APIs, tools, and guidance for building for XR are available today. Check it out on developer.android.com.
As a developer, I'm thrilled to introduce YouTube on Android XR. We've redesigned our app from the ground up with immersive video formats, spatial audio, and a vast content library. XR opens up new ways to watch YouTube leverages Android XR's unique capabilities to deliver an unparalleled immersive viewing experience. Users can enjoy both 2D and spatial content with support for pass-through and immersive environments. We're breaking content outside the rectangle and into the world around you.
We believe Android XR with Unity will drive a new era of XR adoption and experiences. Starting today, you'll have access to the public experimental version of Android XR to start building your apps and games in the Unity engine. We're taking our mixed reality tools and capabilities to the next level with Unity 6.
As a creator, I'm constantly in search of new technologies and new ways to entertain, inspire, and to tell stories, to create groundbreaking experiences for people. That's why I'm thrilled to announce our most exciting project to date, Asteroid. It's an immersive, interactive film app that's launching on Android XR.
As very early advocates for XR and the transition from 2D screens to spatial computing, we understand the unique challenges in building for these devices. We are thrilled that Spaces developers will now be able to seamlessly transition their apps to Android XR while continuing to support existing Snapdragon Spaces devices. We look forward to working with Google to extend Android XR platform to more OEM partners, leaders like Lynx, Sony, and Xreal, all powered by Snapdragon, to achieve scale and reach its full potential.
Starting today, you can visit Android developers' site to access the tools, resources, and documentation we announced to build for headsets. And we look forward to seeing how you design and develop your apps and your experiences. We'll be right there with you as you push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's build the future of XR together.